Stop the car! Get out of the fucking car, Atlanta Police! Get out of the fucking car! Get out the car now! Get out the car.
And Buchanan.
Let's go. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Let's move. What are you doing, man?
What do you mean, what am I doing?
Tell me, what are you doing?
Wait a minute, hold on. Don't grab me like that.
No, hold on. Ow. No, hold on. No, hold on.
You do not swipe my hands from me. Do you understand?
You got anybody else in the car?
The tackle broke Tyler's ankle. A few hours later, doctors had to perform an emergency surgery called an open reduction internal fixation, in which they sliced his foot open from the arch of his foot to his ankle, installed a plate, and installed 10 screws. Before he got to the hospital, though, police made him continue to walk on that ankle.
Wow. Oh, shit! Oh! Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Help me, please. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Help me, please. Oh. Ooh. Shit. Bro. Oh, my God. Ah! Ah! Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Help me. Bro. Oh.
What's wrong with you, man?
My left foot is...
What's wrong with your left foot?
It's tangled or something. I don't know.
It's got what?
A lot of weight on it.
Just a little bit?
A little heavier when it's drunk, too.
That's all right. Man, Abad went to get him out of the car. And Abad's kind of like, what are you doing? And Abad's like, put your hand on. He did Abad like that. I did like 50.
Right. Hey, man, come on, man. Get on up.
Look, here's his skin marks.
Help you do what? Oh, get up. Come on. I'll help you get up. Come on.
We're laughing because you fell pretty hard after pushing an officer, man. I find that funny, man. You don't touch officer, man.
Funny.
You don't touch an officer.
That.
You did do that.
That's bad.
I guess you don't drive on the wrong side of the road either.
Bro, get up, man.
You ready? You got that side again. 1, 2, 3, go. You're not even trying. Come on, man.
Hey, man, don't put your weight on me.
Shit.
Why are you putting your weight on the foot that's supposed to be hurt?
Right,
I'm
let's
a
go.
good guy. I would never do that to you guys.
Bro, I don't even know you.
That's the bad thing. I'm not a
You the bad thing. Let's go.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Come on, man. You're saving a little girl right now.
Fuck.
What's wrong with you, man?
Oh my God!
You doing that on purpose, man.
Come on, man.
He doing that on purpose.
Dude.
He keep rolling that on the side on purpose, man.
It hurts when you roll your own ankle.
Oh my God! Yes!